I'm here today to show you a really easy recipe for Charoset. It's always been one of my favorite things to make for Passover, probably the first Jewish dish I've ever made, and I would be happy to share it with you. So the ingredients are really simple. You need some toasted walnuts, which only take 5 to 10 minutes in a 375-degree oven. You need 3 medium apples, cinnamon, of course, manischewitz, and a little bit of brown sugar. After you've diced up your apples, it does say to peel them before you chop them, but I actually like the peels on, so I keep them. I add a cup of walnuts, half a cup of manischewitz, tablespoon of the brown sugar, and a teaspoon and a half of cinnamon. I don't measure too well. Doesn't matter, I like a lot of cinnamon. And then you just stir it all up. Oh boy, does that smell heavenly. And there you go, Charoset. Easy. The hardest part's just chopping up the apples. So, okay,